So let's get started. So right now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I turn it like so. I yarn it over the loop into the second loop with triple crochet, into the next loop, triple crochet, then into the next one, triple crochet, so right now I'm going to chain 1. Haven't chained this one, I push this out like so. That's 1. I proceed. That's 2. I proceed. That's 3. I proceed. 4. 5. 6. 7. So right now I'm going to bring it out gently. Then I chain 1. So I yarn it over. I'm going to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm inserting in the 4th loop with triple crochet. So I bring it out like so. So right now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So having chain 4, I yarn it over. So I'm going to insert in the 4th loop 1, 2, 3, 4 with triple crochet as well. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 1, and you see, haven't chained 1, so I move it up like so. I draw it out. That's 1. This is 2. Into that same loop. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. So I'm going to bring it out. So I'm going to chain 1. Then I insert into the 4th loop. I count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple crochet. So I proceed. I will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now I yarn it over. I'm inserting in the 4th loop. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple crochet. And you see, so this is how I'm going to proceed till I finalize this segment. So as you can see, I've completed that round. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I turn it like so into the next loop. Into the next loop. 1, 2 with triple crochet. I proceed. triple crochet, then triple crochet there too. So right now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So having chained 4, I yarn it over, I insert right here with triple crochet. Can you see? Triple crochet. So I'm going to proceed right now. I will chain 1. I've chained 1. So having chained 1, I'm going to draw this out. And you see that's 1. Then I insert into that same loop. I draw it out as well. Okay, that's 2. Into that same loop, that's 3. Into that same loop, that's 4. Into that same loop, that's 5. And into that same loop, and you see that's 6. So right now I'm going to bring it out. Haven't done that, I'm going to chain 1 again. So I insert into this loop here with triple crochet. So as you can see, you discover that this place is a bit loose, so that is the essence why I'm going to lose it. The 1 chain that I added, I'm going to remove that 1 chain. So right now I won't include any 1 chain. So like that, that is the way I'm going to yarn it over and insert into this place. So right now, triple crochet, so we are going to proceed. So right now I'm going to chain another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So having chained 4, I yarn it over into the next this loop here with triple crochet. So I'm going to chain 1 right now. Haven't chained 1, then I draw it like so, that's 1. I insert into that same loop, so this is 2. Into that same loop, 3. Into that same loop, 4. Into that same loop, 5. Into that same loop, 6. So right now I'm going to bring it out. So I won't chain 1. Remember the other time I need to just yarn it over. So right now I'm going to insert here with triple crochet, because if I chain 1 it will be too loose. That's just the essence why I won't chain any 1 before I yarn it over. So can you see? So this is how we are going to proceed till we round up till I round up this segment. So I proceed, I chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll insert here, after which I proceed with triple crochet. Now, as you can see, that round has been completed. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain another 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I turn it again like so into the next loop, or the second loop, with triple crochet. I proceed, triple crochet. So right now I'm going to proceed, so I'm going to chain 1, haven't chained 1, then I draw it out, that's 1, and I proceed, that's 2, into that same loop, that's 3, then I proceed, that's 4, five, then 6. So right now I'm going to bring it out. Now you see, so I yarn it over, then I insert into this loop here with triple crochet, and I bring it out. So I proceed. I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Haven't chained 4, I yarn it over, I insert into this loop here with triple crochet, I hope you are following. If you have any question regarding this, or you are confused, please let me know so that I can explain, so that I'll be able, so that I can re-explain, so that you understand. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 1. So having chain 1, I draw it out, that's 1, into that same loop, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I bring it out, yarn it over into that loop with triple crochet. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round this segment up. As you can see, I've completed that round. Can you see? So to proceed, it's a repeated pattern, but you discover that there is a stripe in between this ball. There is a stripe in between it. So the other time, the last one I made, I started here where I started with the ball. This time around, if I'm to turn it this way, so let's proceed. Right now I'm going to proceed to explain to you. So I will chain 3 first. 1, 2, 3. Haven't chained 3, I turn it as usual and I do my triple crochet into the second loop here. So I will explain to you. It's a repeated pattern, but you are going to with an interval. So right now I proceed, triple crochet into the next loop here. I hope you are following. If you have any question, please let me know so that I can attend to your question. So triple crochet right there. So this is what I was explaining. You see, from the base, if you look at the base, I started with the ball till then I sent to this, I crocheted this, then the ball, then crocheted this. Now coming to the next one, the second round, you see I started with this, not with the ball. So it's an interval of the stripe here in between the ball. So right now the third one, I started with the ball. This time around I'm going to start with this now. So this is how it's going to be till we finish. Till we finish using this pattern for whichever cover we want to use it for. So right now I'm going to chain 4. I've already chained 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now yarn it over. I'm going to insert into this place. Can you get it now? With triple crochet. So this is how it's going to proceed till I round up this segment. You see? So right now I'm going to proceed. At this juncture I'm going to chain 1, and that is the one I've chained. Then I draw it out. Okay, that's 1. Then I'm making 6 in this loop. That's how we have been doing it. So that's 2, 3. So we have to be very careful because the loop where is tiny. That's 4. I think that's 4, 5, 6. You know it's 6. I'm not sure if this one is up to 6. So let's assume it's 6. So I bring it out. Can you see? Haven't brought it out. I yarn it over. Then I insert into this loop now still with triple crochet. So the next one I shall be doing is to do this stripe, is to crochet this stripe and insert it up here. So that is how it's going to be repeated till I complete this pattern or this tutorial. Now I've come to the conclusion of this tutorial. Can you see? So beautiful and unique. It's something you can do yourself. Like I always say, you need to watch my video to the end and put it into practice. You practicalize it or you practice it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Till we meet again. Bye for now. If you like this video, click on the liking button.